Welcome back. Looking at this diagram with all these colors, you might think, oh, it's a complicated question. Actually, it's pretty simple. We're going to use a rule that is called concurrency of perpendicular bisector of a triangle. What is called concurrency? Let's talk about it. When two lines meet each other, we see these two lines intersecting at a point. When we have three or more lines, rays or segments intersect in the same point, they are called concurrent lines, rays, or segment. The point of the intersection of these lines, rays, or segments is called a point of concurrency. Please pause this video, read this given condition. After reading this given condition, I think you know this point G is called point of concurrency. Why is that? Because there are three perpendicular bisectors meet at G. Therefore, this point G is called a point of concurrency. There's three perpendicular bisectors called concurrent lines. If they're rays, they're called concurrent rays. If they're segments, they're called concurrent segments. Now, we understand the definition, what is called a concurrent, what is called a point of concurrency. We can talk about what is a concurrency of perpendicular bisector of triangle. It says in a triangle, the perpendicular bisector of a triangle intersect at a point that is equal distant from the vertices of the triangle. This is the vertices of triangle. So it says, this rule says from G to B equals G to A equals G to C. Therefore, GA equals GB equals GC. This is by theorem called concurrency of perpendicular bisector of a triangle. Alright, now it is given to us GC is 25. Therefore, GAGB, both of them is 25. Alright, now remember it is a perpendicular bisector. Therefore, if BE is 15, then EC is also 15. If AF or FA is 24, that means FC is also 24. You see, these little tick marks tell us a lot, and also we can come here and look at this. This is a bisector, cut in half, exactly half. Midpoint. All right, DB, if AD is 20, DB is also 20. Now we're done. Happy learning.